How to withdraw from Hamster Combat. I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw from Hamster Combat. First, make sure you have a verified payment method linked to your Hamster Combat account. If you haven't done this yet, log into your account, then go to the Payment Methods section in your account settings. After that, add and verify your preferred payment method, like a bank account or PayPal. Now, once your payment method is set up, navigate to the Withdrawal or Cash Out section on the Hamster Combat platform. Next, enter the amount you wish to withdraw, then select your payment method and confirm the withdrawal request. After that, the processing time depends on your payment method. Bank transfers may take 3 to 5 business days, while PayPal withdrawals are often instant. Be sure to check Hamster Combat's fee structure for any applicable charges. Finally, once the withdrawal is processed and the money is in your account, you can enjoy your earnings. Whether you choose to reinvest or treat yourself, it's up to you.